Merlin here. Well, a little update on the Clarion. A little disappointed here. As you can see, something's missing here. The other day we had a heavy rainstorm and my Clarion that was not leaking any water anywhere now developed a leak in the windshield right up in this area here. So I might have to take and get me some silicone and seal across there real good. But yeah, it was enough that I had to pull this overhead console down. So that's why you see all these wires here hanging down. That's what was all in that overhead console. The console's sitting back there now. So just something else I got to fix. Still like the Clarion. Still been debating whether I'm going to keep the thing or if I'm going to list it for sale. It's pretty rare. Actually, it's extremely rare. But and it runs great now, especially since I got the valve cover gaskets changed, so there's no oil leak now, so you're not smelling burning oil while running it. It had a pretty substantial valve cover gasket leak when I got it. So I've done a bunch of things to this thing. But anyway, yeah, there's the overhead console. It's okay. I needed to take these speakers out anyway. So that'll just make it easier to take those out and measure them and get the replacement speakers, because they were definitely they're shot. Because that was disappointing. I put in that fancy stereo navigation system, and well, the speakers were so bad you couldn't even understand what the navigation thing was trying to say. So anyway, I've got some really cool LED lights now that I plan on installing. So I'm going to take out these old lights here and install the nice new LEDs. Take out this. I think that might be too big. It might be a bigger size than the other one, so I'll have to hold it up to it and check. But yeah, these would definitely give us a whole lot more light and be nice LED. I already replaced some LEDs there. I haven't finished tucking the wiring up or anything, but those are little LED strip lights I got under there now. That gives us a whole lot more light and over the kitchen area. So yeah, I got 5 of these lights. So put those in. We ought to have some really good lighting in here. So, and I got a little electric cooktop that we got, and it's actually small enough where the solar battery stuff I have can power it. I'm debating whether I want to put solar in this thing or just try to get the generator going again, especially if I decide to sell it. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. But anyway, that's an update on the Clarion. Like I say, we're going to get back working on it pretty soon. Lately I've been working on the hovercraft here, the new hovercraft from the UK. So anyway, that's the update on the Clarion. It's still here, still looking pretty good. So anyway, this is Merlin, and I'm out.